Hey guys, thought I'd do a quick video on how I clean my ceramic stuff. Now, no one else does it like this that I'm aware of, but it's my way of doing it and it works really well, I find. If you didn't see the video where I found the emerald, I also found this bit of ceramic plate, and I thought I'd show you using that bit of plate how I do it. So as you can see in there, like this plate, it was, you know, heavily like stained with that black stuff you get when they get in a creek, and it's just impossible to get off, or so they say. Look, I've found a way where it just comes off. Like I'm just rubbing that with a stick. Now the longer you soak it in, if you just soak it in there, it'll just disappear altogether and it'll be gone. And you can see the pattern start to come out now after rubbing that. So a lot of people use bleach. This is not bleach. This is actually something that you drink quite often probably, but in a much higher concentration. It's phosphoric acid. Okay, now what it does is it'll just get rid of anything that wasn't in the glaze basically. Eventually that will go back to like brand new. So I'll get you back out in about another day. I usually let it soak for a day, and then by then it's usually done. I just make sure it's all submerged in that, but like this has been in here for not long at all, and already you can sort of just remove it by rubbing it, as you can see. So a lot of people have a lot of trouble with cleaning ceramic, I've noticed. They don't know what to do or how to do it, or they're worried. Like watch that edge up there. As I just rub that with the stick, you'll just see the pattern emerge. Now I'm not applying any pressure to that stick. I'm just the friction alone, backwards and forwards. As you can see, like if you want to sit there and spend the time, if you've got something good, you can get those instant results and that instant gratification. But anyway, yeah guys, what you need is 42% phosphoric acid, and that's the trick. This one I use, I get it from a cleaning supplies store. It comes in a 5 litre jug. It's a descaler, I think. I'm not going to give you the exact brand. You can find it yourself, I'm sure, if you're in another country. I think it's to do with dairy equipment, cleaning dairy equipment, something like that. But yeah, as you can see, it cleans ceramic. That'll come back just like I said, like brand new. Like brand new. But anyway, I'll get you back on when it's done its full job in about another day or so. Later. Okay guys, been about half a day and it's cleaned up really well. I don't know if you can see the bubbles trailing off like just there, but that's how it works. So that'll all bubble out, but that'll come back like brand new eventually. There might be a few little stains there left, and then I will soak it in bleach as well, but that's the next step after this one. What I'll have to show you guys in the next video, the bleaching part. But yeah, I mean, if you just leave it in this phosphoric, it'll come back like brand new. And I just wanted to show you, it does not hurt the colour whatsoever. That's a lot of what people worry about. But look at that, that is as crisp as crisp. And it'll just keep getting better and better. Like it's probably been in there a total of 4.5 hours. And yeah, it'll clean up like new. I'll show you the other side. So yeah, I'm sure everyone remembers, like if you go back through the video, the one where I find the emerald, you'll see when I pick up this bit of plate, and you'll see how black it is. Alright, it is just black, like you can hardly even tell there's a design on there on the other side. But yeah, I picked it up because of that. I just think that's cool. It's an old plate, very old. If anyone knows the exact age, let me know. I'd love to know. Anyway, later.